New day, new daily challenge, guys, and today we're on streak 4 and we'll get to 5. So maximum matrix sum, we got n multiplied by n matrix. It's basically here or here, so elements of amount of elements is the same, and we can multiply two elements by 1. So we multiply by 1, multiply here, and so we got here, and we need to maximize the sum. So basically the amount of elements, amount of minus elements is key optimization here. So let's start with a solution. So there are two cases basically. First one is odd amount of minuses. In this case, we can only find the lowest number. For example, in this case, it will be -1, or this one -1. This one we will change to plus, this one to plus, apply multiple operations. And in this case, the sum is 3. Yeah, okay. And also there is a different situation when the amount of minuses is even. In this case, we can just move minus here and then replace minuses with plus. So in this case, the sum is just sum of elements. So let's start. Let's start with our solution. Our solution will include calculate the amount of minuses. And so minuses count. Okay, let's name it like this. Minuses count, and also minimum number is infinite for the first iteration, and basically our result is sum. And let's iterate for row in matrix and iterate over number in a row. We can replace it just with n for simplicity. Okay, and sum is, we will just add n, and if n is basically a negative number, we increase our counter by 1 element. Okay, what is the response here? So if amount of minuses divided is basically 0, then sum is our result. In another case, if we have like some minus left, odd amount, in this case we need to leave one element as with minus and just adjust our sum. But we will decrement this minimum 2 times basically, because we added it as absolute here, and we need to multiply, so subtract 2 times in this case. Let's do it shorter a bit. Yeah, and another one is calculating of minimum element. So we'll be taking minimum of existing one or absolute and current. And let's try, let's check if it works. Yeah, it works. Let's try to submit if it works or not. Yeah, we got day 5. Thank you guys for watching, like and subscribe, and see you next day. Bye bye.